Hi friends, today we are going to learn German nouns and some important ways to remember German noun gender. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for new videos. Let us start. What is a noun? A noun is a naming word for a living being, thing or idea. For example, woman, man, happiness. German nouns change according to their gender, case, and number. This is called declension. In German, all nouns are either masculine, feminine, or neuter. This is called their gender. In English, we call all things it. But in German, even words for things have a gender. It is important to know that the gender of German nouns rarely relates to the sex of the person or thing it refers to. For example, in German, the word for man is masculine, but the word for girl is neuter, and the word for person is feminine. For example, der Mann, man, das Mädchen, girl, die Person, person. Whenever you are using a noun, you need to know whether it is masculine, feminine, or neuter, as this affects the form of other words used with it, such as adjectives, articles, and pronouns. Now let us see German gender. In German, a noun can be masculine, feminine, or neuter, and gender is quite unpredictable. The best thing is simply to learn each noun with its definite article. That is the word for the in English. Der, die, or das in German. However, there are some clues which can help you remember the gender of a noun. Let us see it. Nouns referring to male people and animals are masculine. For example, der Mann, man. Der Löwe, male lion. Seasons, months, days of the week, weather, and points of the compass are masculine. For example, der Sommer, summer, der Januar, January, der Montag, Monday, der Wind, wind, der Norden, north. Nouns with the following endings are also masculine. Ich, ich, ling. For example, der Teppich, carpet, der Essig, vinegar, der Frühling, spring. Now let us see feminine nouns. Most nouns ending in E are feminine. Die Brücke, bridge. Nouns with the following endings are also feminine. Height, kite, Schaft, and I. Let us see some examples. Die Schönheit, beauty. Die Sehenswürdigkeit, Zeit, die Freundschaft, Friendship, die Zeitung, newspaper, die Bäckerei, bakery. German nouns taken from other languages and endings in ans, ens, I, ik, ion, tet, ur are also feminine. Let us see some examples. The distance, distance. The panic, panic. The union, union. The temperature, temperature. Many masculine German nouns can be made feminine by adding in the singular and innen in the plural. For example, der Lehrer, male teacher, die Lehrerin, female teacher. If we make plural, we can say Lehrer und Lehrerinnen, male and female teachers. Another example, der Leser, reader, die Leserin, female reader. And if you make plural, Leser und Leserinnen, readers. Now let us see neuter nouns. Most nouns beginning with ge are neuter. For example, das Geschirr, crockery or dishes. Das Geschöpf, creature. Das Getreide, crop. Nouns ending in line or schen are also neuter. Das Tischlein, little table. Das Häuschen, little house. Nouns which refer to young humans and animals are neuter. For example, das Baby, baby. Das Kind, child. Das Kalb, calf. Das Lamm, lamb. Infinitives, that is the two forms of verbs used as nouns, are also neuter. For example, das Spielen, playing. Das Fahren, driving. German nouns taken from other languages and ending in at, et, von, ma, ment, are also neuter. For example, das Reservat, reservation. Das Tablet, tray. Das Telefon, phone. Das Thema, subject or topic. Dear friends, hope you will enjoy learning. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for new videos. Wish you all the best. Auf Wiedersehen.